What a one good is, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today we're going to be making some curry duck. Yeah man. So as you can see here, I have my duck meat already washed in some lemon juice. So I'm just going in with some garlic powder to season. So I'm using garlic powder and onion powder. I'm also going to go in with my paprika, and this is smoked paprika. I'm also going to be adding some garlic pepper powder. You can add black pepper as well if you don't have the garlic pepper powder. Now I'm going in with some turmeric. And here I am going in with some chicken seasoning. I'm using two types of chicken seasoning, the Cool Runnings and the all-purpose chicken seasoning. So I'm using both of them, Maggi chicken seasoning and the all-purpose chicken seasoning. And this is my curry powder that I'm using, the duck and goat. I am not going to add the curry powder as yet. I love to burn the curry in the oil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rub this up. As you can see, nice and seasoned. And now we're gonna put on the oil. So I have the oil in my pot, and I'm just adding, and I just added some garlic. And you don't have to add two peppers. I just love pepper, so it all depends on how you like it. Okay, so I added two pepper. I'm just letting the garlic burn in the oil with some cumin seeds. And here I'm going to add my duck and goat curry. You can use your favorite curry, but I love to use the duck and goat when I'm doing the duck meat. So I added the meat now, and I'm just gonna spin this around for about 2 to 3 minutes so the duck can get, covered in that curry. Alright, so after 2 to 3 minutes, then you don't know if we had our water, because we know our duck start to burn. So I added the water. I'm just gonna cover this down and leave it to cook. And while that is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare some seasoning. So here I have my bell peppers, onions, green onions, thyme, and of course you can use any bell pepper of your choice. I just use those color. So now I'm just going to add this in when the water reduced, and I'm going to mix this in. I'm also going to put some more garlic here because I love garlic. So I'm adding some more garlic, and I'm adding some ginger paste. You can use fresh ginger. Just beat about 2 inches of ginger. I love to add Irish potatoes into my curry. You can even add some squash if you like. If you don't like to add potatoes, you can add chocho or squash. It all depends on what you like. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook, cover it down. This is me checking up, tasting my pot. So I'm adding a green seasoning because I didn't like something was missing. So this is my green seasoning cube. You can check out my channel for this recipe and how to make your green seasoning cube. So I just added one of that. And you can use taste your pots if you want some salt or anything. The duck already look cooked, so I'm not going to add any more water. I'm just going to cover it down and allow it to finish cooking. So here I'm checking back goodies. It looks very, very delicious. Seems as if it's ready to come off. I don't want too much of the gravy to dry out because I'm eating this with some rice and roti, so I need the gravy. So this is what it is looking like so far. Nice and tender and juicy. Look at that. Soft as well. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you will be trying my recipe, let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Share the video. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. All right, until next time, walk good and God bless you.